Hey guys and gals, thanks for watching today. Again, this is Chris with Nelson Emergency Training. I'm going to do a few more product reviews today. First product I want to go over is from Disaster Management Solutions out of California at triagetags.com. And this is one of those products that will probably appeal much more to first responders, EMS, police, fire, things like that, than to the general public that sometimes watches on our channel, but not always. Some companies and so forth may want to do this, and if you're just interested in such things, then you might be interested too. What the Triage system does is they have everything at Disaster Management Solutions you could possibly need for multi-casualty incidents, MCIs, both to conduct the incident and conduct actual triage as well as training tools. What I want to look at today in a couple of different videos are some of their training tools. And in this one, I want to look at their triage victim cards. You'll see these right here. They're two-sided. They have like a sort of a laminated paper type thing. It's not really a thick lamination, but it's close. It's not just plain paper. You know, it does have the plastic gloss to it, as you can see. On one side, it says victim. And, of course, their logo and stuff. The other side, it has information. It'll have pulse rate, injuries, just a short, very brief description, because triage itself, let me adjust this camera, I'm sorry. Triage itself is a brief process. It's really quick. And it's designed to help you make decisions on who is at the worst level, you know, of course, quickly. So the information needed to make the decisions, whether they go in green, yellow, red, or black. Obviously, green being the lowest level, then yellow, then red, and then black. And if you don't know what those colors mean, you can look up Start Triage. That's another topic for another day. But you'll notice there's a hole here for these lanyards where you can actually hang these from people. So if you wanted to do an actual incident practice drill where you maybe have props and makeup, or maybe not, you just have people in tags, whatever. All the way down to just putting them in these neat little stands. The feet will stick in the little stands here. You can stand them up or lay them down on a tabletop and do what's known as a tabletop exercise. Each set of 2 victim cards comes with a start card, so that you can give this to each individual that's participating, and they know which color is which, and a quick rules of triage. It's all on here. This is also keyed, real briefly, because it says instructor's eyes only, but it's keyed where each victim is numbered here on the elbows. That number corresponds to the information of whether they are red, yellow, green, or black, whether they're ambulatory, whether they can walk or not, and some other information that you need to be able to process whether or not they've triaged properly. That's for the instructor or the grader or the observer to kind of check and see whether they are right or wrong and use it as a training tool. So it's a fabulous training tool. I really like it. The one thing that I would do, and I intend to do with mine before I put them into a lot of use, is to relaminate them in a thicker laminate and make it much more sturdy. It's not very thin or flimsy as is. It is fairly sturdy, but I think it's something that I want to keep using a lot, and I'll probably want a better level of lamination to protect them. Of course, again, it has the lanyards. So that's just one of a few products they have for training. Give them a look, see what they got, see what they might be interested in there, and definitely some products I recommend. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and be prepared. See you next time. Bye-bye.